Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a WhatsApp chat widget to your website. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and I'm going to show you how to get this WhatsApp chat button on your website. You need to search in Google for Delete Chat. You will have to click on the first result and you will get here. This website provides free WhatsApp chat button. As you can see here, these are customization options for the chat button. You can edit all sorts of parameters if you want to make it suit your needs. For now, your button will look like this with the current configurations. You can change if you want your button to be in dark mode or light mode. When you select dark mode, the code is changed and it appears in dark mode. You can also change the color of your button. You can change if you want your button to appear in right or left and so much more. If you scroll down, you will have two important options. One is your phone number and you should put it here without the plus symbol, and the other is the welcome message that will appear to your clients when they contact you. Once everything is customized, click on Generate WhatsApp Code. Now scroll down and click on Copy to Clipboard to copy it. Now for implementing this button, you need to go to the HTML of your website. I am currently using Bloggers for demonstrating this method, but you should use it on your own website's HTML and it differs for everyone. You should be pasting the copied code to the body of your HTML code and it should look like this. I am currently replacing my own code, but you should just paste it. Once it is pasted, click Save and then go to view your website. As you can see, the button has appeared. It's that simple. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.